Hello, everyone. In this series, we are going to start the most complete course from zero to hero, step by step. You don't need any background in Python. In this course, we will cover the fundamentals of Python with a lot of small projects and develop the mindset of a real developer. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable writing Python code. Let's install Python and write your first real line of code. Open your browser and go to python.org. Click on the Download section in the menu. Select your operating system. First, we are going to install it on Windows. Then I will show you on Mac OS. If you're using Windows, download the latest stable version. After downloading, open the installer. Check the box that says Add Python to Path, then click Install Now. Once the installation is finished, Python is ready to use. For Mac OS, again, click on python.org. Click on the Mac OS button, choose the version you want to install, and download Mac OS Installer. Open the installer, click on Continue, and again Continue, and again agree to the agreements, and click on Install. Now we need an IDE for writing code more easily and conveniently. For this course, we'll use Visual Studio Code, which is free and beginner-friendly. Download it from the official website and install it with default settings. After installation, open VS Code. Go to the Extensions section. In the search bar, type Python and select the first one made by Microsoft. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Pylance should be automatically installed. Search Pylance, and as you can see, it's installed. Okay, now we installed Python and IDE. Let's create a new folder in VS Code and call it Python Series. Inside the folder, create a new file and call it main.py. In the main.py, write print, open parentheses, double or single quotes, anything you want to print out, for example, hello world, and run the file. As you can see, the hello world appears in the output terminal. Print is a built-in function that displays output to the console. The text inside quotes is called a string. We'll learn more about that soon. Alright, you've installed Python, set up your editor, and written your first program. In the next video, we'll understand how variables work in Python, and that's where programming really begins. If this helped you, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next lesson. See you there!